Hey guys, Glen Murray, Glen Murray Online. Wow, I have some reverb in here. So the office looks a bit different. You see, it's crazy. It's looking good. We're getting there. Anyway, if you've watched any of my other videos, you'll know what I'm talking about because I said we were going to be changing the office around. But what's cool is going this way in the office is that we've got some reverb. We got some crazy reverb going on. Anyways, today 100 a day in 4 simple steps. No recruiting. So, and when I mean no recruiting, I mean by like you actually don't even have to talk to people if you don't want to in this business. This is really simple. It is really just pure email list building and multiple income streams with it. So if you're interested in making money online, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get a message when I go live. Well, I don't usually go live in here when I put up a new video, which is almost every day. Sometimes on the weekends it doesn't always happen, but it's 5 times a week. Anyway, all right. So how do we get into $100 a day in 4 simple steps? Now, just so you guys know, this is purely affiliate marketing, and the best way, and especially if you're starting out, the best way to make money with affiliate marketing is to email your email list. And you're going, Glenn, I don't have an email list. Well, this is where you need to start. So many people start by just promoting stuff, but they don't have a list to promote to, so they're kind of promoting cold to a cold market, as opposed to taking a cold market and running them in a basically an opportunity funnel so that you have an audience that you can start creating rapport with, and emailing. Now remember what I said, no recruiting, because the way that we're going to get traffic is a really cool, simple way, which is technically, guys, you click a button, you walk away. There's nothing for you to do. If you're a pro, when you have signups that pay to sign up, you're going to give them a call. But this isn't recruiting because they've already joined your business. Now you're just saying, hey, how can I help you have more success? So if you guys join under me, you're probably going to get a call from me, just like a couple of people did today. And I just say, hey, I'm just here to help you with success. All I'm going to show you is, or tell you to do, is just follow the steps. The steps work. This system is so simple. So I'm gonna walk you through the steps. I'm gonna show you the web pages that it works with and just exactly how to do it. And guys, one thing I want to make sure you understand: don't overcomplicate this. It is so simple. I talked to some people today, and they were trying to like overcomplicate it. Seriously, it really is simple. Just follow the steps and don't try to think like you don't have to think like there's more to it because it's really basic. Here's the principle. We've got super high converting landing pages that are going to spit someone into your autoresponder, which we're going to show you to set up. It takes like 5 minutes. And from there, we're going to send them a series of emails, which are already pre-written. They're actually already preloaded into your autoresponder. So you don't have to do anything. There's nothing to change. I recommend not changing a thing. And those emails are going to upsell them. They're going to become a customer, and you will get paid commission over and over and over, because all of these, almost all of them, are all residual subscription based payments. So it's great. And guys, I'm not talking little payments. Yes, there's a few little ones, but there's some doozies. There's some like $2,000 and $3,000 payments that you can be making. So it's got from very small recurring commissions to high ticket items, which are not necessarily recurring, but if someone buys one once, they will buy it again in maybe a month or 2 months. So there will be a sort of recurring, because what we have, like I said, a highly converting landing page into your autoresponder. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you where to get the best traffic to point at this thing, and you're going to be able to make commission from that traffic. That's why I love this system. Hasn't been a better funnel made. I kid you not, like it's absolutely perfect. It's brilliant. And this is like sort of the third funnel that I've sort of, it's the same thing. And if you don't know what a funnel is, guys, a sales funnel is just a series of steps that you're going to take someone through in order to sell them, to qualify them, that if they want to buy your product, right? Like you would basically, if someone's looking, maybe you sell an SEO traffic package thing, or how to do SEO, right? Maybe it's a course. Well, what you would do is you would lead someone there by saying, hey, 3 things to learn about SEO. Well, someone that's thinking about SEO is going to go, yeah, I want 3 things to learn about SEO. they click on that, they get taken to the page, and they go download the SEO thing. And by the way, while you're here, we have a the 25 point cheater's guide to SEO for just $10 or something, right? That's the second series in the funnel, and they buy that. And hey, since you're buying that, there's also this XYZ, or we can 10x that for a price. And then, by the way, you want to get into this course or do this membership, this SEO membership. And that would be a sales funnel, basically. Simple, right? All right, let's get into what this thing is. Let me show you my screen here. So basically, we've got, this is the system. It's called List Leverage. I'm going to put the link right there. Make sure that you do click the link below. It's an affiliate program, so I will get compensated, but you will want to be on my team, because stick around to the end, because I'm going to tell you some perks about being on my team. Make sure that you're subscribed too. It's a good time to hit the subscribe button. So first things first, you're going to watch this video. It's a 7-minute video. And then right here, there's going to be a green button. It's going to say, get your Senshark account, which you are going to be taken over to, let me see if this is it. Where is that page? Oh, here it is. You're going to be taken over to something like this. Now, this is going to be your autoresponder. And you basically sign up. It's $25 a month. Now, for every person you refer to this that's going to come into that funnel, you're going to make $12.50. It pays 50% commission. So basically, guys, once you have your 2 leads, which you're not going to be recruiting, your 2 sales, I mean, because I'm going to show you how to do it 100% autopilot, where you don't even have to talk to these people. They're going to come in, they're going to do the exact same thing as you. They're going to click here, they're going to set up their system, right? $25 per month or $197 per year, whatever you want to do. You save $100 if you do it by the year. I recommend the year if you can afford it. But if you can't right now, you can always upgrade to the year at another time. Grab this, because you might want to spend, if you're on a limited budget, you might want to spend some of that money on traffic at the very beginning, and that's key. Okay, so you get that going, and then you'll have a back office like this. Don't worry about this right now. Just set up your account. That's all you need, because all you're going to need over here is just your username. You're going to put your username in here, and you're going to go connect, and like I don't have it because mine's already connected, but you're going to go connect. And it's basically going to do everything. It's going to load your Senshark account with all your links, your emails, all those things. You'll have in your campaigns, you'll get a couple of things added like this: List Leverage leads, leads. So there's 2 funnels that they go through, and they're going to build all the emails for you. All the emails will be put in there, so you don't have to worry about anything. It is all totally done for you. So once you've done that, you click that, you go to step 2. And step 2 is, this is how you're going to qualify for those high ticket commissions. You're going to become a Traffic Authority user. So you're going to click this. I'm not sure, or you're going to have a green button there. I'm not sure which landing page you will get, but you will just make sure that when you're looking up here, it's going to say F&A network, because you want to be on my site. And you want to join here. Boom, you'll same thing. You're going to go through all the information, put in all your information, and do your thing. And then so you get to look at the opportunity, and boom, basically what you want to do, maybe it's this one, I'm not sure which one it is exactly, but what you want to do is just watch the video, and then you're going to connect your account there. So then that's it for Traffic Authority. So just follow steps. Just come back here again, put in your username, right? That's all you have to do. Just add your username. Everything else is done for you in that. But like, this is so brilliant the way this sets up. The third thing you want to do, so you're on this page because you're probably in the Mastermind Millionaire. That would be the first thing you bought. Now you can become the List Leverage reseller, like I am right here. So I'm a super affiliate. So I bought the 1-year subscription to List Leverage. I think it worked out to, it's either $50 a month, or it's $298 for the $298 for the year. I don't know, you save a bundle by doing it by the year. But you'll see that, because right here you'll have a green button to click, and it'll give you the option to do it monthly or do it by the year. Again, if you're on a limited budget, just go in and do it monthly at first. because again, you can always upgrade to a yearly at any time. But because you really want to save your money for traffic, that's the key. Okay. So if you're really limited, just do these things on a monthly basis, and then make sure you go down here, and you're going to get traffic, right? And you're going to be taken to a page like this, right? And it's basically, you choose one of your packages, and you just put in your information, and you choose a gold package, a silver package, whatever it is. Guys, you will get sales out of these packages. And then down here, you want to pick which website you want to do. So they give you the choice of the SP1, SP2, SP3. It doesn't really make sense to you. What you want to do is go back to list leverage, and over here you want to click on marketing, and I would recommend grabbing this one. This is the highest converting page we've got. I've got 28 sales on this page out of 1,600 leads. So guys, those are people I'm emailing other opportunities to, which I'm making money off. Like, it's amazing. These are all in my, I've got a lot more leads elsewhere, but these are leads coming in there. And what I would do is, the way that these links work, which is really cool, is you can put a slash, and then you could put TA. And then when you copy this link, right, and go over, remember guys, you can right click and hit copy, or you can command copy if you're on a Mac. I don't know what it is on PC anymore. So you want to copy that. You want to go back over to where it says different website, and you just want to paste it in there. Now, see, you want to make sure it has all these things. You want to make sure it has the full thing, right? I like it, this VP, that's the name of the page, the VP in there. And this is your list leverage username, right? And if you want, guys, keep your new usernames the same across all platforms. It's much easier to remember if you always sort of use the same username. And then this little TA is just a tracking number, so that when you're back in, when you're in your campaigns, you can actually see I've got this is July 11th B. I tested something, clearly it did not work. This is my default page. This is a broadcast page I sent out. This is a Hercules page I sent out. This is what is that one? So some campaign I ran. I was trying something. This is RF. Anyway, see, and there's TA. There's one of my TA links. See, I'm even trying the other landing page. But guys, by far, you can see there's no sales on that one. No sales on that one, right? Because what's converting the most is the is just the straight VP page. So that one there. All right, and that is it, guys. You want to basically click yes, pay for your traffic, and you're done. You're set up. Like, that is how simple this system really is. Ta-da! How long did that take? 13 minutes to describe it. So think about it, guys. You can be up and running and have traffic and sales coming in about 20 minutes as you walk through this thing. So don't try to overcomplicate it. Just, that's the steps that you want to go through. There's no secret to it, and this is going to easily start generating you as much as you possibly want. My upline. Oh, last thing. Sorry, guys. Last thing. You need to click in the where's my right here. You need to click this, guys. Click the Facebook and join the Facebook group. This is what it's going to look like. You need to be in here, guys. This is so important to be part of this group, guys. This is where we have so much cool stuff. You're going to see people's results, people that are climbing the leaderboard. Richard, and look at this, guys. I want to show you Richard and John, my direct upline. Like, here's a platinum high ticket, guys. That is a huge commission. Huge commission. Where is it here? 1,000 lead club. Anyways, we've got training, all the stuff. We got free cash coming in. Anyways, that's what you guys want to be on. Anyways, what I wanted to say is you want to be in there, but the main thing is, like, you can easily start making $100 a day. But what my upline is doing, and they've been at 9 months, they're having $3,000 days. $3,000 days, guys, from their multiple income streams. Like, it's crazy. And they're not doing anything different than what I showed you exactly what to do. They just follow the system, and whenever they can, they buy some more traffic, buy more traffic, and you're going to see it once you start. You just have to have faith that this works. Go through the system and you will have success. All right, guys, make sure you hit subscribe, and make sure you message me if I don't want you getting stuck, right? So if you get stuck at all, message me, and we're going to walk you through it so that you're going to get unstuck, and I'm going to just show you how simple it is. All right, guys, cheers. Have a good night. Bye.